Got another good video for you. I got a Ryobi charger thing that I just bought. Take a look at it. Thanks for tuning in. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. This is not like one of these deals where someone sent me a product and they get to review it. I actually purchased this on my own, so I just wanted to show it off to you. So take a look. So on this kit, it's not really a kit, it's just a couple batteries and a charger. It just happens to be a special buy where you got like a free tool or something, like a $25, $50 tool. Selected tools if you bought this at the Home Depot. So I went ahead and bought this because I like the idea of having just another charger. I've already got 2 chargers, and having a couple extra batteries just can't hurt. So nothing more to really see on this. It's just kind of basic. So anyhow, comes in this, some great bathroom literature. I don't know why they send this stuff. Why do they send paperwork on it? It's a charger. How difficult is it? No, I tease, guys. No, seriously, this is great bathroom literature. So I haven't even looked at it yet, but I have no plans on doing it. Batteries. Just your standard old battery. Ryobi, where's the stuff at? Can you see it right there? Here's your charger. I got plugged in. It's charging this battery. Obviously, when you first get it, charge these first, because when you go to look at them, they may or may not be charged. So it's always just a good idea when you get something that's battery to go ahead and fully charge it, so you know it's up to speed. So this thing here is almost fully charged. The indicators on this, they're kind of self-explanatory on this here. Nice small charger. Looks like that you can even hang it. I like that idea. Put it up on a wall. So that one's almost done. This one already got done. I like that it helps, it flashes on this too. See here, and see, look at that. It's just about fully charged. That's why when you pull it off, you go to put it back on, how it's just blinking, it means it's just a hair under fully charged. It's like 98% or whatever. But anyhow, just wanted to show this off. The tool I got, you'll have to watch another video for that. So, because the tool really doesn't matter, I just wanted to show this kit off here. This charger. I like the charger. I'm not paid by Ryobi. Ryobi doesn't give me anything. You know what's sad is I have like hundreds of Ryobi tools, and Ryobi doesn't do anything for me. That's how weak they are. But I like their tools. So thanks for tuning in. Jeff Arizona Hot Homestead. See you. Bye. Have fun.